Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Today we are cooking Chinese fragrant rice or Kiam Pung. In a heated pan, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Move the oil around a little bit. We'll fry the garlic as well as the shallots now. 5 cloves of garlic chopped. 6 pieces of shallots sliced thinly like this. While we are waiting for the aroma of this shallots and garlic to come out, let's marinate the mushroom. 8 pieces of dried mushroom which I've hydrated. I'm going to mix them in with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, half a teaspoon of sugar. So we're going to mix this up well. Smells really good at this moment. I just love the fragrance of garlic and shallots together. It is going to make the rice so fragrant. 60 grams of dried shrimp which I've just washed. I did not soak them because it don't have to be soft. Anyway, we are cooking it together with the rice. So just pour them in. Mix them up well. I'm going to add in the marinated mushroom. Stir until you can smell the aroma of the mushrooms and the shrimps coming out. For Chinese stir frying, the important thing is to get the aroma out. Once the aroma is out, that means it is ready. You can do the next step of the cooking. Smells really good at this point of time. I'm going to add in the 2 pieces of Chinese sausage sliced. Oh, there's a lot of different kind of Chinese sausage available in the market. Some are a little bit fatty, some are with red wine. It's really up to personal preference. I'm using this one. This is made in Singapore actually. As you can see, it's bright red but without too much of a fat. It's perfect for stir frying or doing Kiam Pung like this, because then your rice will not be too oily and it'll be healthier. Okay, once this is done, we just push this aside and refry the pork. A little bit of oil is needed. I'm using 300 grams of streaky pork. You can use lean pork if you want it to be healthier. But why I choose streaky pork is because I like a little bit of fat inside here. It imparts a lot of flavor to the rice. I marinated this with pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Just pour this in also. Slice them finely and thinly like this. There's a lot of ingredient in my rice because I love my fragrance rice to be filled with ingredients. Every bite it has to have some ingredients inside there. Could be meat, could be sausage, could be mushroom. It just have to have some form of flavor inside the rice, and this is what we are doing. The best part about using a non-stick pan with fragrant rice is that you don't have to use a lot of oil, and thus it will be healthier. Okay, the pork is almost done, as you can see. Then mix everything in now. I'm going to add the rice in. 2 cups of rice washed. This is good for 5 to 6 persons depending on how much they can eat. Stir them up well together. We want the flavor to go inside the rice. This is the extra step that we are taking. And this will also help us control the moisture when we are cooking the rice later, so they will not become too soggy. We'll add in some of the flavor now. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of superior dark soy sauce. This for the color, so they will look nice. Obviously this will not be salty enough, so we're going to add a little bit of salt. I'm just going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt. After cooking the rice, if it's not salty enough, you can always add in more salt and stir them up again. Dashes of pepper. Mix them up well. Look at how beautiful this dish is at this moment. Smells really, really, really good. I've also washed and cut 400 grams of cabbage over here. My wok is a little bit small to cook everything together, so I'm just going to put everything inside the rice cooker and stir them up. Now remember, cabbage when cooked, they will actually release some moisture. So control on the water part. I'll let you know how much water I'm using in a while. Okay, so all this I'll transfer to the rice cooker. Just pour everything in, be very careful, don't drop it over the stove. Okay, this is done. Pour in the cabbage. Okay, pour everything in. Then we'll add in the water. I'll add in 3 cups of water. So it's basically 2 cups of rice to 3 cups of water. So we'll put this into the rice cooker and then we'll cook this. Put the whole pot of rice into the cooker. Close it up. Select rice and let's start cooking now. The rice is cooked already. Let's have a look. Looks beautiful. I'll just give it a light stir and give it a taste. Oh, look at how beautiful the rice is. Cooked to perfection. Smells heavenly, I would say. I'm getting very hungry now, just smelling this. Okay, let's just give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for me and my family. I tell you, this is really perfect. This is really perfect. If you're at my place right now, I tell you, go for more than 1 bowl. Really, really good. So after mixing up, we'll serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our version of the fragrant rice or Kiam Pung. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.